Now we will study about trigonometry. In trigonometry, we study some trigonometric functions of right triangles. These different trigonometric functions that we will study in trigonometry are sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Sin theta, cos theta and tan theta are nothing but ratios of different sides of a right triangle. Sin theta is short form sin theta, cos theta is short form cosine theta, and tan theta is short form tangent of angle theta. Now this is our right triangle. For this right triangle, ABC, side opposite to 90-degree angle is called hypotenuse. If you just fix an angle theta, then adjacent is AB and opposite is AC. So the sin theta, which is in fact a ratio of two sides, is opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is length of opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Similarly, cos theta then is length of adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, and tan theta equals to opposite divided by adjacent. So these are our three ratios, these are our three trigonometric functions. Many times students become confused in learning these ratios, so it's better that you remember this mnemonic. This mnemonic is SOHCAHTOA or SOHCAHTO. So if you can remember this mnemonic, it's very easy that you will never confuse in between sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. SOA means that sine equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Similarly, ka means cosine equals to adjacent divided by hypotenuse, and similarly to, that is TOA, means tangent equals to opposite divided by adjacent. You must remember this mnemonic and you will never confuse between sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Here, when I'm talking about these different trigonometric functions, one very important thing you must remember, that also students many times confuse that what is opposite and what is adjacent. Always remember that the side opposite to angle theta is always opposite, while adjacent is the side which is making angle theta with the hypotenuse. So for this right triangle ABC, our sin theta shall be opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is AC divided by BC. Similarly, cos theta then shall be adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AB because it is making an angle theta with hypotenuse, and hence cos theta equals to AB by BC. Now this is the same right triangle, however now I am taking angle theta at angle C, and just see that how by changing this angle theta the values of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta change. Now when I'm taking angle theta at angle C, the adjacent in fact now is AC, because now AC is making an angle with hypotenuse, and now opposite is AB. So our sin theta, which was opposite divided by hypotenuse, then shall come out be AB divided by BC, and cos theta, which was adjacent divided by hypotenuse, will then come out AC by BC, and tan theta, which was opposite divided by adjacent, they will then come out AB by AC. So whenever you are applying the rules of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, remember first the mnemonic, and second always remember which side is adjacent one and which side is opposite one. There's also another rule that is also asked in SAT, is cos theta equals to sine 90 minus theta, and similarly sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. Now these very simple formulas you also remember, because many times questions are asked on simply these two formulas. So let us solve some problems on these trigonometric functions. Now this is our right triangle. This right triangle's ABC has different sides 3, 4, 5, and we want to know what is the value of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Now our sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite in our case is opposite to angle theta, that is BC. So it is BC divided by hypotenuse remains opposite to angle B opposite to 90 degree angle, and hence sin theta is BC by AC equals to 4 by 5. Similarly, cos theta, which was nothing but adjacent divided by hypotenuse, then shall be AB divided by AC. AB is 3 and our hypotenuse is 5, so cos theta will be 3 by 5. Now tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Our opposite side here is BC and adjacent side is AB, so the tan theta then shall come out to be BC by AB or 4 by 3. Let's solve another problem on trigonometric functions. Now this is our triangle and we have been given sin x equals to 2 by 5, and the problem wants us to know what is the value of sin y. Now you see that sin x is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. When I'm talking from the perspective of angle x, opposite is your BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC by AC equals to 2 by 5. If BC by AC equals to 2 by 5, I can say that BC equals to 2 and AC equals to 5. I can also say that BC equals to 4 or AC equals to 10. All I have to ensure is that this ratio remains 2 by 5. For this case of simplicity, I have taken that BC equals to 2 and AC equals to 5. If BC equals to 2 and AC equals to 5, these are two sides of a right triangle. I can easily find the another side of the right triangle using Pythagorean theorem. I'm applying Pythagorean theorem here, and I have AB square equals to AC square minus BC square. Now AC is your hypotenuse, so equals to, then AB square equals to 5 square minus 2 square, or AB then comes out to be square root of 21. Now I have knowledge of this another side, which is AB equals to under root 21. Now the question, however, asked me what is the value of sin y. So now when I am trying to find out what is sin y, I have to think from the perspective that now angle is y. So for the angle y, the adjacent is BC and side AB now is opposite. The formula of sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. The opposite one is now AB. Now AB just I figured out was under root 21. Hypotenuse is AC is 5. So sin y is under root 21 by 5. So in a right triangle, you need to remember that there can be different values of sin theta. It depends on which theta you are talking about. Now another problem. This problem is that cos 15 equals to sin x. What is the value of x? Two simple formulas that I told you, you must remember. One of them was cos theta equals to sin 90 minus theta, and another was that sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. Now you have to apply knowledge of these formulas in this problem. Now I am saying that cos theta equals to sin 90 minus theta. Now theta equals to 15 degree, just put theta equals to 15, and I have cos theta, that is cos 15 equals to sin 90 minus 15, that is 75. So x equals to 75. That's all about trigonometry.